Have you lost your internet connection or simply want to know whether your Owlet Dream Sock can still be used without Wi Fi? Many parents wonder about this when traveling or during network outages. While some app based features rely on an internet connection, the Dream Sock can still provide certain monitoring functions through the base station. In many situations, using the Owlet Dream Sock without Wi Fi is possible, and understanding how it works can help you continue monitoring your baby with confidence. Before assuming the device is unusable or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and make the most of the available features. 1. Make sure the Owlet Dream Sock and base station are fully charged and powered on. 2. Place the sock correctly on your baby's foot according to the size guidelines. 3. Keep the base station within its recommended communication range. 4. Monitor the status lights and audio alerts provided by the base station. 5. Verify that the sock remains connected and functioning even without an active Wi Fi network.